Send money to your relatives abroad today. Let's learn how to create a Worldremit account in Nigeria. Begin by visiting the Worldremit website or app and pressing the sign up button. You need to enter your personal details, including a valid email, a strong password, your phone number, full name, birth date, and address match the details to your ID. Your phone number will then be verified by inputting the one-time password or OTP number via SMS. You can now begin a money transfer by selecting Nigeria as the sender country and the appropriate recipient country. Select a suitable payment method, such as a bank transfer, debit card, or mobile money. Be aware that exchange rates and fees can differ. For complete safety and security, Worldremit requires a valid ID document, such as a passport, driver's license, or Nigerian national ID. Provide clear photographs. Congratulations! Your Worldremit account is now set up, and you now have the facility to transfer money internationally. Make sure you follow local legal requirements and always keep your account protected. Start sending money today via Worldremit.